sleep, man. I need a scat intake. Who got one? It's a dirty, dirty world that we. I ain't wiring none of this shit up, right? Yeah. Yeah. 22s. We coming back. Y'all think I can bring this bitch back? Slow motion better than no motion. I need that course apart. I got everything, man. Come on.
I'm still the same man I motherfucking was when he was 2.
We ain't come to play. We come to lace shit, man. Lace shit, man. Y'all really need to get at me. Like, look at this, man. Burnt the down, man. Burnt the down, man. Hey, hold on. Ooh, wait. I don't know what I'm gonna name it yet. I don't know what I'm gonna name it yet, though. What that look like up under there? Ooh, wee. We're doing custom subframe. Y'all know what I'm saying? Had to drop. I said, drop this. I'm about to rebuild all that. I want all new everything. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm about to put all new everything on it. It's way too hot. You hear me? It's way too hot. Yeah. Don't worry about that. I got that. I got the screen, feel me? Yeah.